Hey, it's time for another 1-minute real estate tip, so listen fast. So today's tip is all about stuff. When you're out looking at houses as a buyer, it is not that uncommon to find a house where people have not decluttered and they have things everywhere. I could tell you stories you wouldn't believe about stuff that I've seen in people's houses. But here's where your tip comes in. When you're looking at a house jam-packed with stuff, that is an opportunity. If you can look past the stuff and see the house, there are many buyers who are incapable of doing that. So what that means is people who don't declutter their houses, they have fewer offers that are lower, and they are less likely to sell their house quickly. So if you can look past the stuff, you can sometimes either get a good deal on the house or maybe not have to compete with other buyers for the house. So that's your real estate tip for today. Follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more real estate content. Your next tip is just a minute away.